A watch, if you'll pardon the pun, is a timeless gift. Whether for an anniversary, birthday, graduation, or holiday, you can use a watch as a gift to perfectly communicate your feelings towards someone. You should carefully consider the occasion on which you gift a Vacheron Constantin watch as well as the specific model you choose. If you're worried about sending the wrong message, relax. We'll tell you exactly what your gifted Vacheron Constantin watch will mean to its recipient right after this short intro. Before you choose your watch, consider these things. Your watch's metal can communicate a message just as powerfully as the occasion itself. White gold represents friendship or another strong bond. This is an excellent choice for a work anniversary, graduation gift, or other milestones. Yellow gold represents fidelity. It's often associated with romantic partners, so it's perfect for an engagement, wedding, or anniversary gift. Rose gold represents true love and passionate feelings. This is another great choice for a milestone with your romantic partner. Platinum represents purity, durability, and high status. Because its meaning is so versatile, you can give a platinum watch for almost any occasion. Stainless steel represents strength and resilience. A stainless steel watch communicates congratulations after a harrowing trial, as well as enduring feelings, making it another multifaceted option for gifting. No matter the metal you choose, it's essential to keep the Vacheron Constantin surface looking polished and refined. Certain metals can be scratched and dented more easily than others, and for luxury watches, a DIY fix is never the best option. If you choose a watch inlaid with precious stones, you should consider the meaning of the stones. Vacheron Constantin's models can feature these stones. Diamonds represent value, strength, courage, and protection. They're a timeless symbol of love and a great way to tell the wearer that you value them. Emeralds represent truth, love, and hope. Emeralds are a beautiful and non-traditional gemstone you can use to communicate true love, either romantic or platonic. Rubies represent safety, peace, health, wisdom, or success in love. With so many options for meanings, a watch inlaid with rubies is always a safe yet elegant choice. Pearls represent purity, innocence, and delicate beauty. Pearls in a watch are perfect for a gift from a parent to a child or between romantic partners. Regardless of the occasion on which you give a Vacheron Constantin watch, one thing is sure: the watch will represent a singular, memorable moment in time. Such an elegant gift will always communicate your admiration for the wearer, and choosing a watch will show them that you want them to remember that moment and its importance in their life.